Welcome to Burmawala Kitchen. Today's culinary adventure takes us into the realm of mini Keema Paratha, a beloved street snack that's an absolute delight. Let's dive in and start with the dough making process. Grab yourself 4 cups of plain flour. Now, toss in 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Give that a quick mix up. Then pour in a tablespoon of oil. Now here's the fun part. Add iced water gradually until the dough starts coming together. Knead it like you mean it for a good 10 minutes until you've got yourself a nice round dough bowl. Add water as you go if needed. Drizzle a bit of oil over the dough, cover it up with a lid, and let it chill out for about an hour. Alright, while that dough's resting, let's fire up the meaty filling. Get a pan going with 2 tablespoons of oil and a tablespoon of ghee. Throw in around half a kilo of minced meat, I'm using mutton today, and break it up a bit. Now for the flavour bomb. 2 tablespoons each of garlic and ginger paste, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, a tablespoon of dhania jeera, a teaspoon each of coriander seed and whole cumin, and a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix that all up with the meat and let it cook for a good 20 minutes until it's all cooked through and the aromas start teasing your senses. Now cool your jets. Let the meat cool completely before we jazz it up with the fresh ingredients. Back to the dough, it's had its beauty sleep. Let's divide it into 9 bowls for those mini parathas or 5 for the larger ones. Give them another 15 minutes to relax. Once the meat's cooled down, toss in 2 finely chopped onions and a large cup of chopped coriander. Give it a good stir. Now shaping time. Oil up your surface. And roll out the dough into squares. No need for perfection here, just go with the flow. Brush on an egg wash. Spoon on 3 generous tablespoons of the meat mix, a sprinkle of freshly chopped chilies, then fold that dough into a square parcel. Time to sizzle. Get a pan heated up with oil and add in the paratha. Cook each side for about 3 minutes on medium heat until they're beautifully golden and satisfyingly crispy. Plate them up and serve them with your favorite sauce. It's a flavour explosion waiting to happen. Thanks a bunch for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and definitely give it a whirl. If you liked what you saw, hit the like button, share it around, drop a comment, and hey, don't forget to subscribe for more tasty adventures.